Yo kids, what's up, so boy? I'm here back at it again with a new video. Today we're gonna be playing, well, I'm not playing anything, but today, this is highly requested by people from my school, and this is how to make thumbnails. First, we want to go to ROBLOX. Something like that. I'm gonna press play, and once I press play, you will see your character. So, right after you do this, you're gonna get to Nova RB or your person. You're gonna do copy, and you're gonna stop the game. I'm tired. Okay. Then you're gonna paste into here, and you will find your character. Do what I tell you in the last video. So yeah, export, selection, ute, and then you go to documents, savvy, 617. Oh my god. When? Okay, whatever. You're gonna go to Blender. You wanna delete this. You want to go to File, Import, then you want to import a wavefront. Go to that, and mine is called Ute. You import the OBJ, you turn this up to 100, go to shading, press this transparency, you get this, very easy. Then you press this, so it colors in, ambient occlusion, and then you want to go to the world. You want to go this. I know I'm doing this very fast, but like I did this in the other one. You can bend limbs. I know how to do that, but it's like kind of complicated. Can't be bothered right now. So you go there, view, camera, shift, F. You can move around, and then you can like look down, go up. I can like go like yeet. And then do this, press enter, then press render here, and it should render. It doesn't take that long. While I'm not recording, it doesn't take long. It takes like not even, it takes like 20 seconds. Then you press that, you press save as image, go to desktop, and save image as, and bam, then you have it. Okay, so now you're gonna go to your untitled PNG and you want to drag it on. Very, very nice. I like making this a bit more skinnier, moving this to the side here, and going like that. Okay, now, the reason why I always change my face is because if I want to do a clickbait thing and then like do something, I always looked up like shocked faces. Okay, that is very nice. Okay, there. Look at that. Beautiful. That is actually beautiful. So, now, with your untitled thing, I'm gonna keep that there right now, but I know I can do something really cool. All I do is this. I press this inner glow thing, and bam, it makes it more snazzy. It's just more snazzy. So, what I just copy down these settings. Inner glow is 79, 24, and 52. Gradient overlay is a black and white 85, and then put it on overlay. That's cool. And then you want to add a stroke to it. What I usually do is I add a white stroke. So you go stroke, a little white stroke, a white stroke to it, any kind of stroke, and then you want to put a drop shadow on it. And I put the spread to 100, and then I keep it like there. Let me just change the background to a different color. Let's change the background to, I don't know, red or something. And then, yeah, and the drop shadow looks like that. It's kind of cool. Okay, now, we're gonna go into the text. Okay, so what I want to do is the best ever text ever. It's called Rific Free Best Text. Just make it white if you want. Just go thumb enough tutorial. And then what you want to do is you want to get these. Well, I have my own like layer styles that I've made. Well, I haven't made these. I did not make these. I'm joking. I did not make these. Let's choose a green one for that one. I did make this one. I made the green one. So all of that. You want to go here. There's warp text. And you want to get to arc up. So you want to arc it. And you would put the arc to like 4 or something. So like 4, 5 or 4. And then both of them would arc. That's pretty much, yeah. And then what you want to do after, you want to get that, and then you want to press on these. Oh crap, what did I just do? Then what you want to do is you want to rasterize both of these layers. I think that's how it is. And then you just do this, and it makes it like shinier. See, now they're merged. And now what you want to do is you want to go to a stroke, and I usually put a black stroke around all of them, and I would go like that. I'd go like a little black stroke, and then yep, that's what I would usually do. Now what you do is you go to ROBLOX. I don't know, I usually go to jailbreak or island royale, and I'll just take a little screenshot. Like, I don't know, you want to get your screenshot and make it as big as you can. Well, fill up your screen, make it fill up your screen. That's what you need to do. It will lock into screen if you have CC, I think. And now what you want to do is you want to go to your hue and saturation. You want to press enter. You go to hue and saturation. Boost up the hue a bit. Like, no, not a bit, like a lot. You want to merge those layers, and you want to go to brightness and contrast and boost up your contrast. Like all the way. A bit of your brightness. No, just boost down your brightness. Alright, don't do that. Okay, do that, and then merge those layers. See it? So you just want to go blur, Gaussian blur, and freaking blur it as much as you can. Yeah, now it's better. Now what you want to do with that, you want to press on your thingy-magic. You want to press on your, you know, your inner glow. Nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.